Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the Hong Kong style satay beef and how to cook a good bowl of rice using Instapot. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of many other kinds of yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. The full recipe is in the description underneath the video. Let's prepare the ginger juice for marinades first. In Chinese cooking, we normally use ginger juice for marinating beef, chicken, or pork to remove that animal smell. Squeeze the puree of ginger to obtain some juice. I prefer to use flank steak for Chinese style stir-fried beef. Wash and wipe dry the beef and cut into thin slices. See these lines on beef? I will slice the beef perpendicular to these lines, like cutting through them. Wipe beef to the driest. Let's mix marinades now. There's soy sauce, oyster sauce, cooking wine, ginger juice, sugar, and eggs, and cornstarch. Mix marinades together. Stir to mix well. Mix beef with the marinades. Add cornstarch after mixing well. Then add a tablespoon of oil and mix well. Refrigerate for 2 to 4 hours in fridge. Let's cook the rice now. Measure rice first. Wash and drain well. Pour the rice into the pot. Then measure and add the right amount of water. Thai rice normally uses 1 to 1.1 times of water for 1 pot of rice. Add a drop of oil, then close the lid. Press the rice button to pressure cook for 8 minutes. Wash and cut the broccolis into smaller crowns. Cut onions into strips. Cut and mince garlic. Cut the shallots as well. Prepare the sauce is oyster sauce, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, curry sauce, shrimp sauce, and the most important, the Satay sauce, which is Chinese barbecue sauce. Add sugar, then mix well. Boil a pot of water. Add 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon sugar, and 1 tablespoon oil. Add broccolis when the water boils, and the carrots as well, and turn to low heat. Cover and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Scoop out. Heat up the pan first, then add 1 tablespoon oil. Add beef to pan fry at high heat for 30 seconds each side. For a total of 1 minute. Do not pan fry for too long so the beef will be fully cooked. Scoop the beef out. Heat up 1 tablespoon oil, then saute the onions until fragrant. At medium heat. Add shallots and garlic and saute until fragrant. Add cooking wine, then add sauce. Continue to saute. Add about a cup of hot water, then turn to low heat and cook for a minute. Mix half teaspoon of cornstarch with 1 teaspoon of water, then pour into the sauce. Then cook until the sauce becomes a bit thick. Pour the beef in and turn to the lowest heat. Let beef soak in sauce briefly to become cooked. Stir well, then scoop out. The yummy Hong Kong style satay beef is now ready to serve. Open the pressure cooker carefully. Loosen the rice. Scoop out a bowl of the perfectly cooked rice. Invert the bowl of rice on a plate. Add the cooked veggies. Garnish rice with some black sesame. Place a bowl of yummy satay beef on it. The mouth-watering Hong Kong-style satay beef rice dish is now ready to serve. Enjoy! Hong Kong-style satay beef can also be served with instant noodle or sandwich, which is commonly found in most Hong Kong-style cafes.